Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the lock screen clock style on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. From here, just tap on lock screen settings. Now just tap on edit. From here, just tap on the lock screen clock. Now to change the lock screen clock style, just select any style from here, just like that. And from here, you can change the lock screen clock font, just like that. And also you can change the lock screen clock font color from here. Now once you have done that, just tap on the empty space on the screen and tap on apply. From here, if you open the lock screen, you can see that we have successfully changed the lock screen clock style of our smartphone. And this is how you can change the lock screen clock style on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.